Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to the OneDrive. You have to start by opening your browser. Now we have two options how to transfer these files. We can use Google Photos or we can use Google Takeout. This one is better option, but first I will show you using Google Photos. So firstly we need to open Google Photos. You need to sign in into your account. Also right here at the right top, make sure that you use correct account. So this one is mine. I want to change it. You can also add some account here, it's up to you. Okay, now I use this one. Then select photos what you wanna save. Okay, I don't need this video, so let's say I wanna save these photos. Then click at the three dots, download, and now let's sign in into OneDrive. So OneDrive, open it, then log in. At the right top, write your Microsoft account email. Oh. Okay, we should write it again. Okay, send code. Okay, so we're in the OneDrive, click create or upload at the left top. Then let's create folder, let's call it test. Okay, so right here we have this folder. Now, so create or upload, files, upload, and right here we have zip file, so we can also send them. Did we have, oh, not this one, this one. So right here we have normal files without JSON. Next, let's save them on the desktop. And after that, we can use desktop. So right here we have this folder here, and as you can see I just move it, but you can open it and select all photos using shift. And now we need to wait a bit. Okay, so let's check it, and right here as you can see we have these photos. Now, the second option, and as I said, better one, is to use Google Takeout. You need to also sign in into your account and make sure that you use your current account. So click at the profile icon at the right top and check it, and change if you haven't. Then click deselect all, and now you need to scroll down and find Google Photos. Okay, right here I have it. Click on it, and then click all photos, albums included. Right here, if you want to save all your all your photos, just click OK, and that's it. If you want to move some photos, click deselect all, and then select the folder or year what you wanna send. So let's say I wanna send photos from, okay, let's move 2025. then OK. Now scroll down, click Next Step, and Transfer to, click on it and select Add to OneDrive. Export once, file type zip, then file size. So if you have a lot of photos, I recommend it to increase it to 10 gigabytes or 50 gigabytes, it's up to you. Then click Link Accounts and create export. Accept. You need to sign in into your OneDrive account. Oh. Actually, not this one. Also, you need to make sure that you use correct account. Okay, let's try again. And so after that, you need to wait until Google Takeouts and picture to your OneDrive. Maybe I will speed up it for you. Then we can return to OneDrive, and in the photos we have these photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.